Hi, it's at KECO. Today we've got a nasty dent, the Jag F-Type aluminium port panel. So we're going to have a little quick look at what we can do using our premium system. Let's have a noser. Not very nice. First off, we're going to add some lateral tension. Massive help for a dent like this where we can get that sideways movement. And yeah, see if we can pop this out and deal with this ground. So, two tab straps on there. New design, you can see we've now got do not glue, and this is the shiny surface that you glue into. Nice and simple, no mistakes. So, one lateral movement, one pull from a wheel arch tab. You can see we've still got quite a sharp crown. We just want to hold some tension in there now while we can feed this crown back in. So far so good. Well, we're done. We'll have a quick look. It's an aluminium one, it's tough. We're always a pulse paint process, but all in all, some rippling, but definitely small area of filler now, and that means a good paint shop.